So truck got rear-ended and she bent the springs right there, the leaf springs. So I'm going to replace them. So I got the right leaf spring for my truck. I went to a local junkyard and they just happen to have it. It seems that it's like it's gonna fit right there and right there. In the front, it uses bolt. It uses this bolt and one of these nuts, and they are, let's see, $13.16, and in the back it uses this torque type of bolt, and it's number, let me let you know which one it is so that you know. This one is T55. I think it's on the box. It says it right there, T55. Right, and the same type of nut. So I'm putting the U-bolt right now, and just a little bit of pressure. I can't show you the whole thing because I have to be, can't be holding the phone when I'm using this, when I'm doing the bolts. So I'll show you more in a bit. So I put it on. The this one was hard to make it fit in here just because this is a little bit off this side. It's just about 1/8 of an inch higher than this end, so it was just a little bit of pushing to make it fit, but it fits right. I had to lift the differential so that this bracket here and the one on the other side would align correctly, and that way this would come into place. And already put the U-bolts, so now everything should be good. Okay, I finished installing the spring and the tire, the new tire, and took it for a test drive. I'm gonna take it for another test drive. This time I'm gonna record it so that you guys can see it. I had somebody follow me so that they can see if there was anything out, see uneven or out of place, but everything looked good. The bed I'm probably going to replace together with the bumper really soon. Okay, so let's look at the back while driving. See how it looks. So I was able to pry open the tailgate, and that's really good because it allowed me to remove the screws that attach to the tail light, and I was able to get this tail light for $34 on Amazon, and it came with the lights and everything, so I can just install it. And it will obviously won't fit on the outside, but I'll have a tail light and it'll fit on the inside part. Let's see. There it goes. Obviously it sticks out because of the damage, but I have tail lights, and then I'll just have to replace the bed next month. Let's turn it on.